Hi everyone, this is Amber. Welcome back to the JoggAI channel. Our last cartoon AI short film got so much love from you all, and today we're going to dive into how to create a 3D cartoon AI short film like this video.
Strings rise, gentle like a warning sun. The world awakens as the tune's begun.
It's actually really simple. Once we break it down step by step, you'll see that making a video like this isn't hard at all. In this tutorial, we'll be also using JoggAI's brand new AvatarX model, which has major upgrades in emotional expression and lip sync. We also used seedings in Jog 1.0 models to bring the whole short film together. All right, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Before we start creating, the first step is to outline a rough story framework. You can think through the plot in your mind first, then use ChatGPT to help organize it into a storyboard. In this video, we'll use the following JoggAI features: text to avatar to create character images, generate avatar looks to turn these images into cartoon-style avatars, product photo shoot to generate scenes while keeping character faces consistent, including multi-character scenes, image to video to create animated shots and main video clips, AvatarX, JoggAI latest AvatarX model for lip sync and cartoon Amber singing scene. Once we have the storyboard ready, let's define our characters. In this story, we have three main characters: Amber, the protagonist, Amber's female classmate, Amber's male classmate. First, we use text to avatar to generate images for all three characters. If you already have images you want to use, you can skip this step. After creating the base character images, we need to turn them into 3D cartoon avatars first. Go to the JoggAI homepage, click Create Your Avatar, and go to Generate Avatar Looks. Upload the character image, select Cartoon Style, then click Generate. Pick a look you like, or click Generate More for more options. Repeat this for Amber's female and male classmates. Now all three cartoon avatars are ready. Okay, now that we have our cartoon characters ready, the next step is to generate the corresponding scenes while keeping the characters' faces consistent. For this, we'll use the product photo shoot feature to create the scene images. When creating scene images, make sure to describe your desired style, scene, clothing, actions, and so on. For multi-character scenes, if you want to specify the main character, make sure to emphasize this in your prompt. Let me show you how it works. In this video, we have the following main scenes: Town Street, football field, Amber practicing singing at home, singing. Each of these scenes also has individual character shots. Let's start with a single character scene. For example, the football field scene. Open JoggAI and go to Product Photo Shoot. Upload Amber's cartoon avatar we generated from text to avatar earlier. Enter a prompt describing the style, main character, scene, and clothing. The generated image will look like this. We repeat the same process for Amber's female and male classmates. This method works for any scene, not just the football field. For example, for this scene, just describe the style, scene, clothing, and action clearly in the prompt. You can also adjust character positions and face orientation in the prompt to create different variations of the scene. Now, let's look at how to create multi-character scenes. We still use product photo shoot for this. In this video, we want a scene where Amber's female and male classmates are sitting in the audience, watching Amber perform. Here's what we do. Upload the character avatars, Amber's female classmate, then the male classmate. In the prompt, describe the 3D cartoon style. Specify the main characters, where they are sitting, and the surrounding environment. Click Generate. The image will be created exactly as described. The same principle applies when creating scenes with all three characters. In this case, because the characters are moving, you also need to include their actions in the prompt. Here's one important tip. If you want to designate a main character in a scene, always upload that character's image first. Let's do a quick example. In product photo shoot, upload Amber first, then the female and male classmates, and enter prompt. The generated image will look like this. If you want to change the main character, simply adjust the upload order. You can repeat this method to generate all the other scenes as well. And that's it. Now we have all the scene images we need. JoggAI's product photo shoot also has a hidden feature, similar to the recent viral Google Nano Banana trend, allowing you to create character images in any style you want. Simply upload the image you want, enter these prompts in the prompt box, and you can generate images like this. Or like this. If you want these prompts, leave us a comment below and we'll share more hidden tricks with you. Back to our video topic. Once we have our scene images, the next step is to animate them. For this, we use image to video. In our previous episode, we discussed key tips for creating AI short films. To make the scenes more immersive, we need to add camera movement in the prompt. For example, in this scene, the generated image already shows the characters in action. All we need to do is add the prompt. Let's see the result. Notice how in this scene, the camera always followed the movement of the characters to ensure that the characters were in the center of the frame. That's camera movement in action. Check out the generated effect. For empty shots in the video, to keep the background consistent, we also use image to video. The trick is to remove the characters from the scene, capture the background, and then generate from the empty shot. For example, here we first prompt Amber to move out of the frame, then capture this background. Next, we re-upload it to image to video, add camera movement, and click Generate. We can also create transitions using the same scene. Simply enter a different prompt and click Generate. With clever use of prompts, you can generate completely different moods and atmospheres from the same base scene, or like this. Finally, let's talk about how to create the most important part of this video, the dialogue, using JoggAI's newly launched AvatarX. The upgraded AvatarX model delivers better lip sync, richer emotional expressions, and even supports AI avatars that can sing.
Hear the hum of 1,000 skies. Electric whispers tangled in light.
It doesn't just excel with realistic human avatars, it also performs amazingly well with cartoon, Lego, and other creative styles. Let's take one of the images we generated earlier. For example, this picture of the male classmate on the basketball court. We go back to the JoggAI homepage and click Create Your Avatar. To turn this image into an AI avatar, we select Photo to Avatar, upload the image, choose the AvatarX model, pick a voice, and then set the emotion. You can either select from the default emotions or create a new emotion prompt. Once that's entered, click Generate. In no time, your AI avatar is ready. Then simply type in the lines you want it to say into JoggAI, and your dialogue scene is complete.
Throw it here. Here. Pass it to me.
Let's take this example again. We first generate the avatar through Photo to Avatar, then create a new emotion with a custom prompt. Finally, we enter the dialogue in the script box. And just like that, the scene is done.
Amber, you won again. You're always too fast.
By repeating this process, you can complete each dialogue segment in your script. Next comes the most important part of this video, the singing scene. Thanks to JoggAI's AvatarX model, creating an AI music video is super easy. We also share this in detail in our previous episode. Feel free to check that out. Here, we'll do the same steps. Convert this image into an AI avatar using Photo to Avatar, then create a new emotion prompt. In this case, I want her to look happy, confident, and expressive while singing. So I enter this emotion prompt. Next, simply upload the music file you want to use into JoggAI and hit generate. And there you have it! The singing cartoon Amber is ready! Super easy, right?
Morning breeze, a piano whispers through the trees.
For the narration part, we'll use Avatar Video. Just pick the AI voice you want. Paste in your script, and when editing, simply keep the audio in your video. Next, we can go straight into JoggAI's editor to connect each scene together. Here, you can add music, transitions, subtitles, and more to enhance your video. All set! Let's take a look at the final cut.
I saw you smile in the summer rain. It chased the clouds and eased the pain. We laughed till the stars began to yawn. You turned the dark into a brighter dawn.
Alright, that's it for today. We just walked through how to use JoggAI, from generating images to creating dialogues to bringing a full singing performance to life, and turned it all into a complete AI video. You can follow the same steps to easily create your own AI short film or AI music video. If you'd like to try JoggAI's latest AvatarX model, go give it a spin. Don't forget to share your videos with us. We've got more hidden tricks coming up next time, so make sure to follow us. I am Amber. See you in the next video.